Iron Gate Armory Academy presents how to attach a tassel to a sword. Now that we have added these beautiful tassels to our online store, it is time to learn how to actually attach them to the sword of your choice. These tassels are usually used with Asian swords, but you can use them with Western or fantasy sword as well. This is by far the easiest way to attach a tassel. Simply take the loop at the beginning of the tassel and push it through the ring. After that, pull the rest of the tassel through the loop, forming a simple lark's head knot. But what if my sword doesn't have a ring on the pommel, I hear you ask? Well, my friend, that's what option 2 is for. You can attach the tassel by wrapping the loop to the base of the pommel. Depending on the base's thickness, you may need to wrap it few times, but in our case, one wrap was enough. You want to stop when the first knot is aligned with the far end of the pommel, and that's basically it. Of course, most people who use tassels in swordplay might want to attach the tassel more securely by wrapping some tape to the base. With that being the case, we recommend asking help from your swordsmaster or coach, as different practices prefer different taping styles. If your practice requires the tassel to be more solid, you might want to tie or tape your tassels together. Serge the knot at the bottom of the tassel and pull from it. Repeat the same to the other tassel. Then you can tie the both end knots together or tape them. Now you have a more solid tassel ready for use. All the tassels and swords you saw here are available at our webshop irongatearmory.com.